Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nakia XO, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a review of my first Telfar bag, a big Telfeezy, okay? So let's just get right into it. Y'all, so I have been waiting on this beautiful bag forever. So this bag dropped last year, which was I believe 2020. They had the UGG X Telfar bag that dropped, and let me get into the details. I'm sitting here fast forwarding everything. Like, let me really get into the details. Telfar is a Black owned company that sells more than bags. They also sell clothing and accessories, I believe, but I've never even taken a look at the other things. I've really only cared about the shopping bags that they sell, and they're absolutely gorgeous. We have seen them on the likes of Beyonce and influencers all over. I've seen influencers wear this like crazy, and since it is a Black owned brand, I wanted to do my best to support, because of course we deserve luxury and beautiful things, so why not? This is a mini bag. The bag cost $192. With taxes, it was $204.48. Sorry, I'm reading off this paper. $204.48 with taxes, but it was free shipping, which was marvelous. I love free shipping. So yeah, just $204.48. I believe the regular mini bag is about $150. Don't quote me on that, but it is $192. So it's just a couple, it's like $30 or $40 more than the regular bag. And so let's get into the specs and everything. So as you can see, the bag is this beautiful brown suede right here in the, the bag, like where it needs to be suede and brown. And then you have the shearling on the side which is usually like the same exact thing that you find on your actual UGG like boots, or things like that. I used to wear UGG boots all the time back in the day. Like, you'll never catch me wearing them now, but like it's basically that in a bag, literally, with the Telfar logo right in the middle. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it has these two straps. So it has the main straps, which are these long straps that you can wear over the shoulder like so, and you have the handles here, which have these fur all around. Super cute, super cute. And then you look into the bag, and so this is what the inside looks like. The bag is not a really big bag, so let me tell you what you can fit in here. You can fit things like lip gloss, your cell phone, a small wallet, not a regular sized wallet, but a smaller wallet, and maybe some glasses. I wouldn't say that you can pack on a whole bunch of items in the mini bags. They really are not that big to be able to fit a lot of items in, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. What comes with the bag is this dust bag here, the UGG X Telfar dust bag, and it does that so that you can be able to close it. And I think this is perfect, considering the fact that, like, since this is suede, the last thing that I want to do is get this dirty. So let me show you guys, for example. You can just put it in there, especially when traveling. Shut that bad boy up. And then there you go. And then you can travel with it like this. And it makes it so much easier to travel as well. That way you don't have the fear of causing any kind of messes or, spilling anything on it and of that nature. Now, I ordered my beautiful Telfar bag on November 29th, 2021. I received the bag December 9th, 2021. So it really came pretty quickly. Now, I do have some other bags that are on the way, so don't judge me, guys. I went in with the bag security program, but Telfar does have a bag security program that allows you to pick as many bags as you want, whatever bags that you want, and it will ship, but it will ship months later. I ordered some other bags months ago, and I won't be receiving them till about March 2022. So it takes a while, but if you order it when it drops, you receive them a lot quicker. Now let me tell y'all the race. I'm pretty sure everyone knows this. If you don't already, let me break it down for you. The race to get a Telfeezy is not easy, okay? I literally was on the website at 8:58, reloading, because I have tried to purchase bags before in the past, and I've never been able to, mostly because I didn't know how to really work it or how to do it. Like, once you're in that system, you need to be working with the quickness, because these bags sell out within minutes, 2-3 minutes, and the bag that you want is sold out. Like, they go in with these bags. So literally on the website, 8:58, 8:59, finally at 9 a.m. when they dropped, I was able to like get into the system where it said to add to cart. Added to cart. I had created a Klarna card the night before because they do accept Klarna and credit cards of that nature, but not PayPal. I believe I heard that they did at one point, but not anymore. So yeah, I was able to create a Klarna card the night before. I already had the information copied and saved. I literally just, as soon as it dropped, added to cart, literally checked out that moment. All of my information was already entered because I had created an account with Telfar, and it already had my address saved and all that. So it was perfect. It literally went by. When I saw that it said order confirmed, I was like, hey, I've made it. I have made it, because getting these bags are not easy. Like, I'm thinking, oh, Telfar bag. And when you go on the website, even now, all of their shopping bags are sold out. Every single one. And they really go in with these bags. I'm sorry. Like, people love these bags, and I absolutely adore these bags. They're so cute. I was able to cop the first one. If you want a detailed video on how I do that, I could always do that for you guys. But mostly, it's kind of what I just said. Really, just create an account with Telfar. If you're going to be using a different credit card, make sure that you have all that information saved onto your laptop. That way it can automatically populate, or whatever the case may be ready to copy and paste everything that you need to paste within at least 10 seconds. That way you can get the bag, because they sell out fairly quickly, like no joke. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, these bags are super small. Like I said before, you can only really fit a phone, maybe a small wallet, a pair of glasses, some lip gloss. You know, it really depends on what it is that you will be, you know, placing in your bag. If you're really wearing it just for vanity, you know, just for aesthetics, then it really shouldn't matter. But honestly, if you're trying to make this your like everyday bag, it doesn't fit much. But their medium and their large bags do have a lot more space. I believe the medium sized bags fits like a laptop, whereas the larger bag is more something that you would maybe use as a carry-on to travel. I really wish that they had a size between this small and the medium size, or is it large size? I don't know, whatever is right after this size. I really wish they had a size in between. That way I could fit more, but not having, like, not so much to where I want to fit a laptop, but more so that I can fit like all of my everyday items, like my regular wallet, my regular, just everyday things. But nonetheless, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. But I think that's all the information that I have for you guys. Like, look at this baby. She is gorgeous. She is absolutely gorgeous, okay? I honestly have been wanting a Telfar bag for so long that... And to be able to cop the UGG X Telfar bag is just making me so happy. I don't know any specifics about what that looks like with that collaboration and whether or not it's coming back. I do know that they dropped last year, they dropped this year, so maybe next winter they'll drop it again. This bag is perfect for the fall and winter time when I'm like thinking about outfits like when I'm in Colorado, or when I'm in, you know, I'm going to Tennessee next month, I'm going to Nashville. So maybe I'll bring this bad boy with me, you know, a cute little cream fit with this bag. Yo, I'm so excited. And you know what's crazy is they actually do have this in black, all black, and the UGG X Telfar collection does have an all black line. Don't know if that's going to be dropping again, but I wasn't really interested in those bags, surprisingly. I really was just interested in this one. Does it even match my outfit now? Low key, but maybe high key. I've been peeped that you like me, honey. Yes, I am so cute, guys. We are so cute, me and this Telfeezy. So yeah. Let me put this bad boy on. So yes, hey guys, I was able to cop my first Telfeezy. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Like this video up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I have so many Telfar bags coming in 2022. I think 6 bags to be exact. Yeah, I have a problem. once that bag comes in, I will tell you everything, my experience with the bag security program and all that. So yes, subscribe, keep on the lookout for those. And I also just recently ordered another Telfar, so I will definitely do a review on that one as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next